Guys, look who's back. Oh, ano na pasalubong? Pasalubong?
Nanay!
Pasalubong?
Mommy is struggling so much. They cannot see me. Mommy is struggling so much that you're asking for pasalubong?
Why is it so heavy then?
That's my clothes.
No.
Someone is commenting from inside.
Yeah.
Look at me, guys!
Every day, Ryan, weekly once, maybe like that. Every day.
That's my wet clothes.
Morning was bad, right?
It's very bad this morning. I'll tell you later, guys, my struggle after I take shower. Meron na naman tayong sweet potato and ready na ang ating ulam. Parang ano ito? Brinjal with tomato and some egg. Daddy Ram is washing the bike, which is so muddy. Super muddy, guys. Daddy, I use the brush, you know. It's easier. And yeah, I know. That's the thing. I always want the bike to be clean, like almost every day. Cleaning it. Pero laging umuulan. So, laging ano din, maputik. Ang ganda ng weather, guys, pagkatapos ng ulan, 'di ba?
Enjoy from the morning. Not enough?
Who?
You.
No, I did not enjoy this morning. I struggled.
Cause it's rain.
Yeah.
Rain.
I almost give up na sabi ko, maghahanap na talaga ako ng reliever at hindi ako papasok sa trabaho. Kasi it's been 3 days na talagang walang tigil ang ulan dito sa lugar namin. Then, okay lang kasi first 2 days, yung talagang malakas or medyo yung ano talaga ng ulan ay hapon. So umaga, papunta ng trabaho, hindi ako nababasa. Pero today was really struggle. Kasi hindi tumigil ang ulan hanggang alas 4:30, alas 5:30, alas 6 ng umaga. So, ang nangyari, hindi ako makabiyahe, diba? Kasi naka-motor lang ako. Pag nag-taxi naman ako, guys, napakalayo ng workplace ko. Mas mabuti pang hindi ako pumasok kaysa magbayad ako ng taxi. Kasi papunta doon, parang nasa 400 or almost 500. So, alam niyo yun, hindi worth it. So, sabi ko, hindi na lang ako papasok, maghahanap ako ng reliever. Pero wala akong na-contact na reliever kasi syempre tutulog pa sila. Nag-message ako sa kanila mga 4:30 ata. Nag-message na ako sa aking supervisor na baka hindi ako makapasok. At hindi din siya nag-reply kasi nga natutulog pa siya. Wala nga kasing nag-i-expect na baka hindi ako makapasok. Pero since gumising na ako ng 5:30 ata yun, hindi na ako makatulog ulit. So sabi ko, okay, kahit na umuulan, papasok na lang ako. And yung wino-worry ko kasi, baka bumaha at lumabas ako, pero hindi din ako proceed sa workplace ko kasi baha. So yung first baha na dinaanan ko, which is manageable, okay lang, hindi naman masyadong deep. Yung second baha ay talagang muntik ng din yung aking bag kasi nilagyan ko siya nung cover para hindi mabasa. Hindi ko naman siya makarry. So nilagay ko dun sa may sa may fit area ng ng motor. Eh yung baha, malapit na talagang rin yung bag ko. Pero pinilit ko talaga guys kasi it's either babalik ako ng bahay or magpo-proceed ako sa trabaho. Eh since nakalabas na ako, pinilit ko na lang, and good thing hindi tumirik ang aking motor at nakaabot naman ako ng trabaho. Yun ang struggle pag ganitong weather. Kaya mahirap mahirap maghanap ng pera. Struggle is real talaga. Namimiss ko yung times na nasa India kami yung sasakyan namin. Pero ganoon talaga pag nagsisimula sa isang bagong lugar, sa bagong country. Ito yung mga pagdadaanan natin bago tayo makapag-settle down. And ang dalawa, nabobore na sila. Lagi na lang nasa bahay. So, ayan. Naglilinis-linis. It's quite long already, right, Daddy?
Yeah, it's when coming out, walking is bothering. Really disturbing. Ayan, these things also. Bring the
Tingnan niyo
cover.
ang weather. Hopefully tomorrow it won't rain in the morning again. Bunga ng malunggay, wala na.
Oh, it takes so much time maybe. Once it comes, it really comes back to back.
Yan yung sinasabi ni Daddy Ram na ayaw niyang ikat yung mga bunga. But look at the mango tree. Oh, that's guyabano or mango?
It's guava, but it's mango.
Oh, but it's really becoming big.
Coming, small all
Ah. Mango maybe takes time, but that one is becoming big.
The thing is with the
It lifted the wall.
Yeah.
thing is with the guyabano, it's
The fruits coming, but
the
not
fruits are not really
surviving yet.
surviving because of the ants, maybe the ants and the rubber ants. Or
Maybe.
it's too fake. I think there's more.
I thought you were geologist, you are gardener also.
Ryan is studying kasi yung exam nila is next week. Right, Nana? I think 23 and
Monday and Tuesday.
24, something like that. Basta.
And then
Then, no AC for the whole day.
only yesterday, last night also we did.
Yun you guys, naka-off. Open ang aming doors. And the windows. Ano lang yan.
They don't have the vending machine. We have vending machine. At night also, you can open like that.
Yeah.
But if you open like this and sleep, somebody can just walk into us.
Yeah, it's true. Very nice weather, but I'm scared. Maybe tomorrow also is gonna rain.
If it had something like this or like that, we can open it at night, you know, this one.
Yeah. What is
I
that?
got pasalubong for you.
You got
He didn't have
pasalubong.
pasalubong, so he got for you.
Open it. Put it there.
I need a plate.
Hmm?
Here, so we can keep it there.
Not with the plastic.
No, like,
Remove the plastic.
The plate, I put the plate, Nana. Put
Yeah.
the plate.
OMG, is it barbecue?
yeah, it's barbecue.
What kind of barbecue?
And you know, near the entrance, there's one barbecue there.
Last time when we got
Ooh. Oh my god, I'm so happy it's leaking, Nana. Ay! Hala, patay. Go, go, go.
Enjoy, guys.
Hi! Hala! There's isaw!
Yeah, both
I
also.
didn't expect.
No, both also.
I thought only this one.
Enjoy both of you. I will join
Daddy,
for dinner.
come on.
No way.
Try isaw!
No way, please.
How is it done?
I never ate so far in my life.
So good though.
Mm.
The sauce.
Sarap ng isaw. You wanna eat the isaw? And you like this one, right?
I said, yeah.
Dalawa na naubos niya agad.
This is yours.
Ah, isa pala. Naintindihan niya yung sinabi ko.
It's good.
It's good? You can have this one. Careful. It's been so long na we did not eat this one. Right?
Yeah.
Thanks to Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. This is his idea, actually.
Oh, I want rice. So good. Uy, ganjus ko na yun. Naubos agad. Nanonood kami ng vlog namin dati. Yung birthday nila yan, second birthday. Emotional. Ang dalawa. Ang mga kapitbahay namin dun sa India dati. Si Tanya. Si Aro, hindi nandyan.
Nothing.
Nagtantrum sila yan.
Which one?
You want to eat cake, I think.
Yeah, they take one. Here.
Thank you! Tisko rin, tisko! Nakakamiss ang India. Ina-assess ko pa guys. Tumigil na ang ulan. Chine-check ko kung ano yung weather bukas. Kasi kung uulan na naman, baka magpa-relieve na lang ako doon sa isang nurse. Yung isang nurse kasi, malapit lang yung bahay niya doon sa aking workplace. So, hindi siya mahirapan pumasok sa trabaho. But, sayang naman. I was planning kasi na umabsent din next week. Kasi may aasikasuin kami ni Daddy Ram. Ayoko naman na dalawa yung absent ko. So, gusto ko isa lang. Para isang araw lang yung hindi ako papasok ng work. Pero, yun nga ang mahirap. Kasi baka bumaha. Diba? Pero tumigil na naman ang ulan. So, baka pumasok na lang ako. It's a Saturday. Wala din naman masyadong gagawin doon sa aking pinagtatrabahuan. So, sayang din pag umabsent lang ako. And now, I'm sleepy. It's just 7 p.m. But ako'y inaantok na.
Stomach full, that's why.
Busog kasi. And thank you so much, Daddy, for the barbecue. I really did not expect it.
Available there.
Yeah. Grabe, it's so noisy naman talaga. Lalo na pag ino-open namin yung mga doors, talagang rinig na rinig yung mga sasakyan at saka yung mga motor.
But, since me and Daddy, or mostly Daddy, we gave you pasalubong, you have to give him and me pasalubong.
I gave you pasalubong today, right?
What is it?
Huh? That one. You're drinking something, right? That's my pasalubong. Huh? Orange color?
Oh yeah!
You forgot? Every day, Ryan is asking for a pasalubong, guys. I gave him pasalubong consecutive days. Ngayon, it should not be empty-handed.
What?
Yeah, you always ask for pasalubong now.
Well, the rate of me asking for Sulumong has gone down a little bit, okay?
No,
Wow!
it's going up. Not gone
No,
down.
it's gone
Going up.
down.
Every day you're looking for it.
Yeah. And he's going out and then checking, Mommy, do you have pasalubong? And then if don't have, he's coming in without saying anything, without hug, without kiss. Only waiting for the pasalubong.
And also, I always think when you have a thick bag, you know, usually when you have like a big bag,
Then something is inside.
yeah, but I think that you got it. Today I wasn't surprised because most of the time when you get something like big one, it's the first time it was your laptop, the second time it was your jacket. So I thought it was either your laptop or jacket again. Then it's actually the orange thing and the red thing. Or black thing, I don't know. That's
Daddy, one of our very loyal subscriber, the doctor, she sent this one. Consular camp in Davao City. Like the same one when we were in India, right? Philippine embassy, they go Hyderabad and other places without nearby embassies for passport renewal.
They're coming to Davao City.
Yeah, kasi
India, Manila.
Mm.
India, Manila.
nasa Manila kasi yung Embassy of India, di ba? But RAM okay pa, hindi pa kailangan mag-renew. Sira yan
Next year. Yeah.
next year.
Sikh temple, Indian Sikh.
Ah, yeah.
Sikh.
You remember the temple we went to?
We went. Yes.
Yeah.
I do not remember.
Ryan.
We went.
When we arrived,
we put head like kerchief. We put the cloth. We walk
When was
inside.
it? I think 2 months after we arrived in Philippines. Yeah. Watch our vlog. Then you will know.
I'm lucky to have vlogs to stuff I don't remember.
Yeah. Almost your whole life is in the vlog. See, this is good.
This is good.
Very helpful, guys. Yung mga
Thanks to God.
may Indian husband dyan na need to renew ang kanilang passport na nandito sa Davao. Punta kayo. February 27. So, hindi na kailangan pumunta pa ng Manila para mag-renew lang ng kanilang passport. This is very good. Makakatipid tayo or kayo. Once nasira yan, kailangan na niyang mag-renew. Then, ito, maganda. Tapos na daw siya mag-study, guys. So, break time na siya. And, ayan, Di ba, Ryan the gamer na? Enjoying yung daddy niya nasa loob ng bedroom, nakahiga. Siya daw muna dito kasi hindi pa nag-start si Daddy Ram.
Tighten up and answer back.
Ang galing talaga ng batang ito. Victory! Say bye to guys. Bye guys!
Subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye! See you bukas!